Okay, so we've put the S7N261 heaters all together now, and if you've purchased our motherboard from our website at www.siriushair.co.uk, it'll arrive in its packaging. These are manufactured by ourselves, they've got our codes on them, and they are perfect with our heater elements. Simply open up. Okay, so this is our Sirius Hair heater element, and this is the original heater element. So as you can see, there's only slight differences. Now, using our tweezer scissors, what you need to do is fix your new heaters into the clips. What we do two at a time, let's line them in. What you need to ensure this is that this part is upmost. Okay, so it looks exactly like that. Get it the wrong way round, you tend to blow the capacitor. Okay, so then use your little tweezery things to push them in, and on that. These are great, they make sure you have a really tight fit without damaging the clips. And then it's the same on the other side. One. And they have to connect, the wire has to meet that one and that one. It's a very strange design. Okay, so then you can see inside, make sure you haven't crossed over the wires. Sort of all that. That's my little dog Rosie, by the way. She's an assistance dog. Okay, and it's the same on the other side. Got to push these in. Okay, so they're all in now, and just double check that you haven't crossed the wires at all, so they're all straight, and that's what it looks like. If you've got them that way round, it's wrong. Okay, they've got to be that way. Okay, now you've got your live and neutral, so using your connection, which from your original one. Okay, brown is live, blue is neutral. Connect your blue wire. Just simply push, and then you can use and there you go. So that is that. Thank you. We'll do another video.